In today's video, we are discussing rotator cuff strengthening exercises. We'll show you all different levels from beginner to advanced. Find which level is right for you and start trying these out. Level 1, place your arm by your side. Start with your hand by your belly button and lift up towards the ceiling, keeping your elbow close to your side. Level 2 is the same motion, but with added weight in your hand. You can use a dumbbell or kettlebell to add more resistance. Level 3 is cable external rotation. Keep your elbow pinned to your side while you fan your arm out. You can also use a resistance band as well. Level 4 is 90-90 external rotation. Make sure your arm is at the same height as your shoulders. Keep your shoulder blades squeezed for more stability. And just like the last exercise, you can use a resistance band as a variation. Level 5 is a IYT variation. This combines external rotation with shoulder retraction. This is a great combined movement to target both your proximal stabilizers and your rotator cuff at the same time. Here's another view using dumbbells as a variation. This can be done by laying on your stomach or on an incline. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And of course, like and subscribe for more recovery tips. Thanks so much.